Hi, Catherine here. I'm going to show you how to schedule a video with the Live Producer on Facebook. So to access the Live Producer, what I like to do is if you're on your Facebook business page, you click under Publishing Tools and then you go into Video Library. Under Video Library, you can click plus live, and that's going to open the facebook.com/live producer, which allows you to schedule or to go live using the producer. So for this video, you can go switch live now, but I'm going to schedule a live video. So I've clicked schedule live video. I've decided to put it at May 22nd at 10 a.m. You put the page that you manage and that you want the video to be scheduled on. You can add a live video title. So I can say live Friday live Q&A, live Q&A, and then here this is the caption of your post. So this is where you can cut and post a caption that you have ready to go, or you can just say something about this video. So normally I would cut and post it, but hottest questions and reviewing the latest and greatest in social media and greatest, because things are changing by the minute. So every week we have so much to talk about, Heather and I. So there you go. Now what I want to do is select an image, and in this case I have a square image that I actually have done before. So Friday live Q&A, and then this is it. This is exactly what my announcement is going to look like. So if, for example, if you're in real estate, you can decide to schedule a live open house. And what's interesting is you have a live tab URL. And what this live tab URL, it's going to be able to give you some options to sharing this video. So I'm going to schedule it, and then you'll see what's going to happen. So there we go. And then now look what happens. If I go here and I'm going to refresh my page, I'm going to be able to get a shareable link. So see, copy the URL of this announcement post. This is the URL of my live tab, and this is the URL of the announcement post. So if I copy this and I send it to someone, or put it in a newsletter, or put it on other social media accounts, I can say here, this is the link to my live event that's going to happen tomorrow. And when people click it, they arrive directly on my live broadcast. Now, if I was to copy the live tab URL, which is here, it would bring them to all my live library, which is my unique URL, Catherine Aird Social Media /live. These are all my past live videos, and including the one that's coming up. And in order to have a live tab like this on your page, go under your settings and you will see service and tabs, and you can add the live tab here. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.